Hello, I'm Mike from Sharebus, and that's my home and my mobile hostel. Come in. Here is the driver's seat, and we have here a little single bed for the driver. Here we have 4 seats, 4 other seats.
So how many people in total can you drive?
9.
9 people.
9 people, yeah. Here we have the pellets oven.
Oh, how many kilowatts do you know?
8 kilowatts. And yeah, you just put pellets in and you need 1 bag. When it's really cold, you need 1 bag a day.
Okay, and it's blowing or it's just here how you get all the way to
Yeah,
the bag?
there's a blower inside.
Okay, but it blows just here and it's kind of distributed.
Yeah, and for this I have the van and then it goes a little bit in the back.
Okay.
But it's really warm inside.
Okay. And what is that? It's kind of half electric or what? It's
Yes, with
controlling
electric and it controls himself, yeah.
itself? Ah, okay. So
Everything controlled, yeah.
Okay. So you put as much temperature you want
Yeah?
and then you just put full and
Yeah.
okay, that's nice. That's nice. So you installed that already or it was here?
Yeah, that's a cool story. I just drove back from Portugal to Switzerland in this last December, and then the heater from the bus was not working. I don't know why, and then I tried to solve the problem, but I doesn't find the problem because I had not enough tools. And then I just drove to Leroy Merlin. I bought the pellets oven and the big drill, put the hole in the side, put the oven in, and 15 minutes later there was some smoke coming out and the bus was warm, yeah.
So it was on the road?
On the road, yeah. And since then I think, oh, pellets oven is not so bad. I put also some metal here.
Oh, yeah.
Because of the fire, but the exhaust, it gets not really hot. You can touch the exhaust because everything is like controlled. The burning is controlled, yeah.
And so close to windows, it's alright. Like you were not cautious about that
No.
when it's cold outside that they may crack.
No, it's not a problem. No, here gets hot because the van it blows here, and no, here is not a problem. Here is the kitchen with all the stuff. A big fridge.
What kind of electricity you have? Like you have solar panels or just
I have the whole top is with solar panels. I have 4 kilowatts solar and 4 kilowatt inverter.
Okay.
I have a lot of power.
Gel batteries or?
Lithium
Lithium,
battery. For 270 amps, something like this. Yeah, big.
But it's 24 volts or 12 volts.
24 volts to, yeah.
24 volts, 270 amps.
Yeah. Each battery, but I have 4 batteries.
I have 4 of them.
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
yeah. And 2 starter batteries I can also use there. This is also with electricity,
Okay.
but this battery,
And the burners are on
the
gas.
burner is gas, yeah.
And you built this bus by yourself?
This one, not.
No. Okay.
The first one I built it
Yeah.
with the flip top,
Yeah.
but this one I bought from Velo Solution.
Okay. It was already like this.
Yeah, it was from a downhill racing team.
Okay.
Now I just changed the back of the bus, and for the inspection I need to do many things, and
Okay. Right.
but I wanna change some things. Yeah, I wanna put the terrace on the top, and yeah, because the bus now I have just 1 year. Coffee machine here for the guests. They have enough space to put stuff inside.
So each has one wardrobe?
Yeah, sometimes not. It depends which kind of trip. If we go motocross, we need to put all the gear in the trailer. I have also a trailer because then we have too much gear.
Right.
Yeah, here's the toilet.
normal chemical toilet and the shower.
Yeah, it's a chemical toilet.
Yeah.
No, the shower is here.
Oh, shower is
Shower is here. Yeah.
How many liters do you have? Water?
1,200. Here are the single beds.
So in total can be 4 people here, like
No.
one master bedroom.
Yeah, 4 people. And master bed we can change to 4 other beds. It's not, the work is not done because this is a construction site at the moment, but yeah, this you can put down mattresses on and you have a bed more, and yeah, the same here. Yeah, but I need to finish.
With ocean view or mountain view.
Yeah, here we can open. Yeah, and some places are really nice to open in the morning. I never want the second bus, but they offer me to buy the bus for 4,000 euros.
Oh wow.
And then yeah, I just bought the bus. I invest 2 days of work. Yeah, corrosion, but it was easy. And then the inspection was good.
So you imported it? Was
No, it was from Locks.
Okay.
Yeah, in
And
Switzerland.
you passed the inspection?
Yeah.
From the first time?
The second time, yeah.
But still good.
Yeah. And the bus is now is 18 ton, but I can go to 24 tons. The bus is 12 meter long, 4 meter high, and 2 meter 50 wide.
Yeah.
And
The mileage, how much you have?
1.5 million.
Wow. And still original engine.
No, the second engine, yeah. But the engine is pretty good. It's a 15 liter diesel V8 with twin turbo. It works pretty good.
And what's the consumption?
If I go with 80 kilometers per hour, it needs around 25 liter. And if I go 100, it's around 32. I always did the measure from long distance. As example, I did from Switzerland to Spain, everything in 80 kilometers per hour, and then from Spain to Portugal, everything in with 100 kilometers per hour, and the measure is not so bad, I think.
Is that consumption with trailer behind?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's very good.
Yeah.
And you have heavy trailer.
3.5 ton.
Okay.
Yeah, there I have all the bikes and motorbikes inside. I do the first trip in just 1 month, and now I just live inside. Yeah, I work every day. If the guests want to paint something, everybody can paint something on the table. And
So this is all the paintings are from guests.
yeah. It was when we bought the bus, we had the bus 3 days. Then we changed all the wrapping, the stickers outside, yeah. We changed everything and we went to a downhill race, and there we had a party inside and everybody paint. There is some beautiful paint from some riders, but yeah, there is some ugly painting. Here we have more stuff inside, like tools and surfboard. Here we have the inverter. Here, this is the Mercedes V8 engine, 15 liters, 1 turbocharger here, 1 turbocharger here. Yeah, and this is the
01, no? Engine.
No, 0. This is 0, minus 5. Yeah. Here we have the starter battery and the airbox. Here is the gas heater for the water. Here is water tank, one of them. And the old water tank is behind.
And it's not freezing? Have you been in winter?
Oh, it's freezing.
Okay, doesn't matter.
Yeah, sometimes I put a little electric
Heater?
electric heater inside, and then it's okay, yeah. Yeah, more gear for motocross gear and
And you
surf
have
gear.
2 bottles of gas, and when you're on the road, how often you change it?
Just 3 times a year.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah.
So it's
I
to cook
just need to cook.
and I'll shower you that.
Yeah, shower. People, they like to go to the shower on the beach, or because it's pain in the ass with 10 people and everybody wants to do a shower inside.
Grey water tank too, or it goes just out?
No, I have a
Grey water tank.
grey water tank, yeah,
How big?
1,000 liter.
Okay, so it shouldn't be problem
Yeah.
with showering.
Yeah, but it's not easy to find water on the road. As example, in Spain or Portugal is better, but Spain is not easy. Here's driver's seat. It's hand shifted with
8 gears.
8 gears, double H. Yeah, not everybody can drive this bus.
And the year you said it was?
84. 4 older than me, 4 years older than me.
Tell how you came with this idea, like this is your second bus, right?
Yeah, it was just a quick idea. I had 10 years truck building company in Zurich, and then it was too much, and then I quit, and then I went to Portugal for 1 year. And after this, I want to go travel around the world, but then was this COVID thing. And then I was thinking, what do I do now? Because I had the other bus already 10 years. I lived in the other bus 10 years.
So you were living 10 years already in that bus?
Yeah.
Okay.
In Zurich, yeah. And then, yeah, I was thinking, in this COVID thing, I just travel around with the bus, and then, I need a lot of money for the diesel, and then, maybe I can share with other people. And then I also ask for sponsors, and the whole project get a little bit more professional as I want, because all the sponsors for bikes and stuff like I don't get for free, but I have a really good price, and and I need to do content for them and all these things, and it was from a quick idea in 2 weeks, and I just did it,
And what is the idea now? You do once in a while a trip somewhere, or how it works?
We do this year 12 official trips, and the people, they pay a little bit money for this, but it's like 0-0 because the gear is really expensive. But my dream is that we get paid from sponsors, and or partners, not sponsors, and they have we have high performance athletes here, like famous athletes with a lot of followers on Instagram and blah blah blah, and the partner, they get content for that. And and they have really good content for a good price with famous people, and
So the idea is to do motocross and surfing, or
motocross, surfing and bike.
Downhill bike.
Downhill, mountain bike, like free ride.
Okay.
Free ride.
So any kind of sport activities.
Yeah.
And the trips are usually like two weeks or so?
1 to 2 weeks, yeah.
Okay. You have a YouTube or Instagram when you're making something?
Yeah, I have YouTube and Instagram, but we just give or we just start with this content thing, and I also want to do a movie, like a 40 minutes movie for the next winter, a documentary, and we plan a film tour next winter. And now I just try to find some sponsors
the idea is to travel with both buses, or in one you want to?
No, just with one, and yeah, I don't know at the moment, but this season we just travel with one, yeah. And in Portugal we have kind of base. There we have the second bus on a motocross track close to Lisbon, and yeah, we can always park there and stay there.
Okay, cool. Okay, thanks for showing your home.
Thank you.
All Mike's social media links I will leave in description below. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next one. Bye.